In order for the Focus First software to run correctly using the data from your MLS, you have to set up your MLS export to really include the right information. Now, in order to do this is very different for every MLS. So we have step-by-step detailed instructions on how to set up your export file correctly. Now, where to find these instructions is pretty simple. If you log in and scroll down to step 3 on your welcome page, you can see this button here that says MLS Export Instructions. Or you can go to focusfirst.com and under the Support tab here, click the first link that says Find Your MLS Export Setup Instructions. Once you click either of those, it will bring you to this page. Now, this page is separated by states, and then under each state, we have a list of MLSs separated by city. Now, just as a note, make sure you look by your city and then click on the one that matches your city. There are some cases where MLSs might change names or might change from different operating systems. So make sure you still come here, click on the one that looks like it might be for your name. Go ahead and open up one here to show you. And then this will show you the step-by-step instructions on how to set up your export correctly to make sure it includes the right data so the software runs in the Focus First. If your MLS is not on the list when you come back here, and you're looking underneath here and you're not seeing your city or not the right MLS, please reach out to us and we'll get connected with you so we can get your MLS up and running. Reach out to us at support@focus1st.com.